Hello everyone. Today we're looking at a simple but powerful high-voltage LEV tester made from a 9-watt compact fluorescent lamp. Despite its simplicity, this tool can test a wide range of LEDs, especially TV backlight strips, in just seconds. The key idea behind this tester is using the internal power circuit of the energy-saving lamp. Inside the lamp, the AC mains voltage is first rectified and filtered, producing a high DC voltage of about 300 volts. This high voltage is what makes the tester so effective. Many LED backlight strips consist of multiple LEDs connected in series, requiring high voltage to turn on. A normal power supply cannot easily test them all at once. One of the biggest strengths of this design is that the output voltage is automatically determined by the internal rectifier and filter capacitor of the lamp circuit. No complex regulation is required. However, high voltage alone is dangerous for LEDs. That's why a series resistor is added. This resistor limits the current and protects the LEDs from damage. The resistor works by dropping part of the voltage according to the current flowing through it. As soon as an LED is connected, current starts flowing, and the voltage across the resistor increases, reducing the voltage applied to the LED. This creates an automatic adjustment effect. The circuit supplies only the voltage required by the LED chain, while the remaining voltage is absorbed by the resistor. Ohm's law describes this behavior. V equals I times R. One limitation of this tester is the lack of electrical isolation from the mains. This means extra caution is required during use. Another limitation is that the current is not precisely regulated, so it is mainly suitable for quick testing rather than long-term operation. Despite these limitations, this tool is extremely useful for quickly identifying faulty LEDs in backlight strips, saving time during repairs. The current through the LEDs can be calculated as the supply voltage minus the total LED voltage divided by the resistor value. The power dissipated in the resistor is I squared times R, which is why a high wattage resistor is necessary. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical electronics ideas.